Let's start Monday morning off. Corey had the DEF filter apart here, washed her all up. Now he's putting her back together. Hopefully that fixes that problem. And Gordy's back on vacation. Come out to take the day cab for the day. Flat tire. So me and Travis got it taken off, and now Travis ran to town to get that fixed, and hopefully get her put back on and get to hauling some grain. Well, the great melt is definitely well underway. Not an icy river anymore. Made it over to our Indiana farm. Nice day. At least it feels nice. It's amazing how warm 37 degrees, even though it's not sunny, the wind feels out there the last week we had. But the snow is melting, but it's so deep back there, it's gonna be a while before we get the trucks in. So I'm gonna go ahead and push it out with a skid steer. Hopefully this is the last snow pushing video for a while. And so they can get in there either later today or tomorrow. Got some white corn that we need to take out of there tomorrow, so get us in there a day or two earlier. So gonna do that. How's it going in there? I bet. That can't be it.
Coming off.
Coming?
This is a hook bolt remover. That is.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, just give you some light.
Is that the technical term?
I don't know. I'm not very technical. It certainly takes them off, though, I can tell you that.
That's all that matters.
Yeah. So we're gaining.
Tuesday. Corey's Pretty Blue Pete is dead in the water on the highway for the second time in as many weeks. So we are going down there. Luckily, well, not luckily, but there's a little experience doing this. Since I had to do it last week, David came and got him last week. So got some ether, maybe get him going so we can at least get going the FS lot to park and get unhooked, and we can put another truck on it, take this thing in the garage, have a professional look at it. Or I also got a chain to pull him, and I got an air compressor that we can ratchet strap to his steps so he can keep air in the system while pulling the FS's lot. So go see what happens. Oh, the old Ford, the F-250, just hauling 80,000 pounds. We'll make it to the lot at least. Got him pulled in, got him unhooked. We're heading over to Olney to let an expert look at it. Problems in the, we believe, the diesel exhaust fluid system, which is stuff that diesel engines have to have on them now to make the emissions burn cleaner, which I don't even know how much time and money that stuff's cost us, but it's been quite a bit of both. It's a beautiful 55-degree day outside. We tried to get the truck to the professionals and we didn't quite make it, but we're back and we're gonna get it running and it's gonna be great. She's gonna make it to the doctor. and she'll be good as new. The end. There she goes, purring like a kitten. Hopefully it can make it all the way this time. Well, Pete didn't make it far, and it died again. So we gave up and called a wrecker. They're gonna take it into the doctor for us. So it's so nice outside. Man, it feels great. I'm gonna get a shovel. I'm gonna start digging on that. Start the cleaning process on the last quad that needs washed. Got her dug out. I'm gonna go get some earplugs and run the air compressor on it. Got the parts in for the trailer today. Corey and George were working on putting them on. We'll see how they're getting along. How's this going? It's a lot of wires.
That's what we thought. You seen that movie Pearl Harbor?
Yeah.
We're like them pilots. There's awful lot of switches and gauges.
Yeah. Wednesday. Just about to get done cleaning out these tracks and blowing it off. Then I'll start washing, which will take all day. Then maybe some tomorrow. Time consuming, but gotta take care of your stuff. We got 5 trucks going, all hauling yellow corn. We got our Azteca white corn contract full yesterday. The wrecker got Corey's truck to the mechanic shop, and Morse and David are working on the trailer in there, getting all the wires together, getting all the parts, and taking care of business. Dad's in the office. Everybody's busy. We'll go grab a ladder. See how the trailer progress is coming along, shall we? Getting there, huh?
Yeah, getting.
What are you doing, size nothing?
Cleaning up the office. Nobody's done it for about 2 months. It is a mess. Getting ready to mop the floor now.
Oh, nice.
I'd like you to take those black mats out and rinse them off. It's out here.
Okay. Can I walk in here with my mud boots on?
Yeah, I mean, walked over there. Yeah, come on in. Just don't get any dirt on the floor. I just started mopping. Look at the desk.
Oh, yeah. Beautiful. Spring cleaning. Spring cleaning going on everywhere. Here's the second mopper.
Yes, yes.
Mopper number 2?
We got a mom mopper
Another mop.
and a dad mopper.
But I need that.
Multi moppers.
Huh?
Oh, fine.
All right, we are.
Thursday. Still washing. Get done with it today. Well, she's done, or done enough. Here's a pile of all the stuff that came off of it. Plan was to take it in and service it after it got done, but Garrett had a blowout down on I-69 on one of his front steer tires, so that gets fixed by some roadside service. He gets back, we're gonna take a look at it because thanks to my tore ups and stuff, and it's due for an oil change anyway. So put that on top agenda above this. We'll stick that back in the shed for now and get it out later to get it ready. Truck update. Garrett got his truck back. Broke this piece, the blowout. There's a fender that covers here, just protects plastic piece. And this. I think that's pretty much it. So pretty minor compared to what it could have been, but still needs fixed. It just keeps other things from getting hurt by road debris. And we got all of our parts for our trailer in today. We were waiting on lights. I had to replace the airbag while I was here. So all that's together. All we got left to do is wire up the license plate light, put it back on, put the mud flaps back on, put on the tires, and this trailer's ready to go. Damon had a blowout today. Tire. He wrecked a little havoc on the back of the trailer. Parts coming in. Something else needs fixed. Good as new. Just doesn't match the rest of the trailer now. It's too clean. The rest of it's dirty. All done. And I missed a broke piece on this. I told him it was broke yesterday. There's also a mirror broke.
What would be a interceptor?
Yeah, broke that one and this one, and it got this little chip here, but yeah, cosmetics. That's just keeping up with the Joneses stuff there.
Yeah.
Friday, getting our load of diesel fuel in. Go through those quite a bit with all these trucks running. They pump it in, then we just pump it right back out. Coming into the old shop, which is now our sprayer shed. We parked the Heggy and the deer and our base for our radios. The repeater that comes off of our leg, so goes from one of our radios to that, then repeats it on out. The base needs some upgrading, so me and Eli are going to get that big honking thing down from up in the loft and put it back in my truck. I'll take it to our radio specialist, Bob Goss, up by Flat Rock. I'm guessing this is expensive.
It looks expensive.
It feels expensive. Got it?
Got it.
Still got it?
Yeah.
We're gonna start lowering it down to you. Oop. Well, I would release the rope more to you, but I got my hand wrapped up yet.
Yeah, it's a little lower.
Yeah, we just hit to the ground.
Yeah. Almost. There.
Alright.
Not too bad.
Yeah. We haven't broken yet. Alright, got the base dropped off. Got a new Motorola handheld radio wise there, carrying my truck. have with me. We used to talk to each other sometimes to cell phones, but I decided to come on up to Robson. There's a tree line. We got a guy taking out for us up here. We're splitting with another farmer between two of us, and I was also checking out how our terrace is held that you can see on the dirt work episode when we built these. So far, so good. Try and keep these things from washing, and catch them in the bottom. Have tiles that drain them to the ditches. Haven't had too big a rain though to really test them. Did have a lot of snow that's melted, but I think we're supposed to be getting an inch of rain this weekend, so it should hold that fine. When you get those great big gully washers, those 4 or 5 inches, that's when you got problems. So we'll see how she goes.
Good afternoon. There's a few of us in the shop. Just changed oil, serviced his truck. Had a front tire blowout, so we got a few little things to patch. It really didn't do too bad. Changed oil, so we're blowing that out. It goes by air pressure. Goes outside the tank there, and we have a guy picks that up and he burns it in his shop. And there is some of the parts we got to change from the blowout. Inner fender, small mirror, really not bad for what happened. Then we got David over here working on the front end. Well, the spring hinges on the front spring we can't grease, so he's trying to get that changed, and I'm sure it's in there pretty hard. Another use for the hoist. Pick the front of the truck up.
What is it now?
It's a wheel seal. Shit. It's a wheel seal. It's pretty bad.
Been a lot of truck breakdowns. You're doing too good a job of farming. We got too much stuff to haul. They give up. They're tapping out.
Yeah. So we're gonna pull the axle, take these bolts out, pull the axle, pull the hub off with the bearing, replace the seal that's right back in here.
Yeah. Looks like a nice, clean job.
Yeah. Exactly. And I should have the seal here though.
Ruh-roh, what happened to that one?
Wheel seal. Gordy made it back.
Not good.
Brought the warm weather with him.
God, that's not my truck.